It's been, 9 months now. It took until December to put the props in, and then the building was locked down. At the end of October, the Army Heritage Committee agreed to transfer ownership of the keep to the Museum Trust. However, as part of that transfer process, we're going to have to negotiate funding for repairs, which relies on a lot of information being gathered, such as detailed surveys and proposals and so forth. And that is really taking time. So we estimate that that piece of work and the negotiations themselves will be finished by early July, and that the plan, we hope, will be sent off for approval. So we've got a further 3 months where we'll have no ticket income coming in, no other sources of funding. We're in limbo, and we're asking for funds to help us survive that period of time so we can carry on and reopen the keep in spring next year.